before you with innocent young mind, but with a grateful heart armed with knowledge. Today's celebration marks the beginning of my life's success. St. Pedro Learning Center has molded me to become of what I am now. To my parents, thank you for the unconditional love. You are always at my side to guide me in everything I do. In behalf of my fellow classmates and schoolmates, I am so thankful to the whole family of St. Pedro Learning Center for their concerted efforts and wholehearted support both academic and curricular activities. Good training and strong foundation of education. Once and for all, let us show respect to everyone. Let us obey our parents and teachers. Let us love one another, for God is love. Congratulations, learners, for a job well done.